Now let's see how to create a Facebook group. So first of all, you need to add a group. I will show you later how from your Facebook account you can create a group. You add a group. Then once you are there to create a group, you will give a name to the group. So just this is for you to understand how to do this. Follow these steps, please. Then you need to add members. So once you have a group, you have given a name, then you will add all the single members. Then you will choose the privacy setting. So as I said to you before, it can be an open, a closed, or a secret group. You will define this privacy setting according to your goals. So if you want an exclusive group only for your customers, you make it secret. If you want to create a group where people are talking about certain topics and you want other people from outside to be interested to join the group, then make it closed. If you want to share free information, then make it public. Or let's say open. This is probably the most important choice that you will make while creating your group. And as there are some limits to changing down the roads. So there are some limits, in fact. So if you have less than 250 members, you will be able to change the settings as you see fit. Okay? So if you have fewer than 250 members, you will be able to change the settings. But if you go up or if you go over 250 members, you can only change an open group to closed or secret and a closed group to secret. You won't be able to change the privacy again after this. Then you choose an icon of a group. So this is very important for your business. You're gonna create your brand choosing an icon. Then it is very important that you complete the about section so that people know what you're talking about, what is your group about, okay? So it's like about us in a website. Your about section is important for two reasons. You give prospective members an idea what your group is about, and then can display any rules you may have about a group. So if you have also rules that your members should respect, then you should specify it in this section. Then you choose the group image. So you set the image of the group. You have three options here. You can use images from group members that will show a maximum of at least of the last 8 active members, or use a photo already in the group, or you upload a photo. So 3 options. Photos of members, at least the last 8. So maximum is the last 8 active members, or you use a photo that is already in the group, or you upload a photo. Then you can edit the group settings. So basically here you can do the following. You can edit the group icon, the group name, the privacy settings, the membership approval. So do you want to let anyone add members, or should only you to be able to add members? You decide here. You can set a group address. So this is very important. You can define and show a custom URL and also an email address, so the members in the group can also send you emails for further information, or they can join, for example, your website for further information. Then you can change your description. So you change the description of the group. And then also the posting permissions. So if someone is going to post in the group, you can also define here the posting permissions. You can decide if only admins can post or if members can post as well. And then the post approval. You can require that all posts be approved by an admin before going live. That's very important because you may decide to have only the admin to approve, or anyone can post, and no matter what, this post will be published. And finally, the newly created group is ready to go. It is set up. Now you can post updates inside the groups, and so can members too. Okay, but only if you allow them to do it. Let's see some of the main group features. First of all, one of the features is the notifications. As an admin, you should probably turn the notifications on to receive all updates when anyone posts, just in case someone spams the group and you want to respond quickly. Then messages or chat. One of the great things about groups is that you can initiate a group or a group chat or message with either all members of a group or selected members. This is especially useful when you have an announcement to make or need to quickly collaborate on an item or on an issue. Then events. A feature probably not used often enough in groups is events. Inside a group, you can create events that only members can see and join. And finally, files. Inside groups, you can share files of any kind, and as well as create documents which group members can add to and collaborate on. Think of this as your own little workspace within Facebook, or perhaps a replacement of applications like Basecamp or Dropbox or Google Drive.